In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job post on Facebook page. This quick, reliable approach uses a standard post on your page and is the most used method today because it's simple, visible, and easy for applicants to respond to. First, head to your Facebook page. Make sure you're logged in with a role that has posting access, like admin or editor. Double check that you're on the page itself and not your personal profile. You should see your page name and timeline. You can do this on desktop or the Facebook app, whichever you prefer. Next, click Create Post. On desktop, you'll find the Create Post box at the top of your page timeline. On mobile, tap the area that lets you write a post for your page. This opens the Composer where you'll type out all your job details in one clear message. Now write the job details. Start with the job title. Keep it specific and searchable, like marketing coordinator or senior sales associate. Then add the requirements. Focus on the must-haves, skills, experience level, certifications, or availability. Keep this section concise and easy to scan so candidates know quickly if they're a fit. Include the location. Specify the city and whether the role is on-site, hybrid, or remote. If time zones or shift hours matter, note them briefly to set clear expectations. Salary is optional, but sharing a range can increase trust in applications. If you're not ready to publish a number, you can simply say that compensation is competitive or based on experience. Keep your tone professional, inclusive, and clear. Add your application instruction by writing apply via Messenger or apply via email at the end of your post. If you choose Messenger, applicants will message your page inbox. Plan to check message requests and set expectations like typical response times. If you prefer email, add a simple call to action with a business inbox you actively monitor. Avoid including any personal contact details you don't want to share publicly. When everything looks good, click Post. Before you publish, take a moment to proofread for typos, confirm the contact method is correct, and make sure the information is accurate. After posting, keep an eye on comments and messages, respond promptly, and save qualified applicants in a place you can track. Staying responsive helps your post perform better and builds a positive first impression with candidates. That's it. You've created a clear, effective job post on your Facebook page using the method most people rely on today. Keep it concise, transparent, and easy to apply, and you'll attract the right candidates faster.